So this was supposed to be a poor man's surf and turf on a last-minute weeknight dinner. Chuck-eye steak, scallops, electric skillet glory. Bowling on a budget. But let's just say the ocean didn't show up. Or rather, it showed up pale, soggy, not camera ready, and defies my belief that we eat with our eyes first. Welcome to my kitchen, where failures do happen in real life. I tend to start with prepping veggies and aromatics first. Wash and cut broccolini, separating the stems from the florets. Add all in a small pot with a dash of salt, pepper, olive oil, and onion and garlic powder as an afterthought. Slice the garlic thinly. Time to prep the proteins. Trim the silvery membrane from the chuck-eye steak and cut the steak into manageable pieces. Season the steak with salt, pepper, paprika, with olive oil, and mix. Then slice the scallops into halves and add them all to a mixing bowl. Season the scallops with salt, pepper, paprika, with olive oil, and mix. Time to cook the proteins. Turn the electric skillet on high and add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil to cover the entire bottom of the pot. Sauté the garlic for a few minutes until aromatic and drop a stem of fresh rosemary. Add the seasoned chuck-eye steak and cook for a few minutes with the lid on to minimize the splash. Turn the steak over to cook the other side. Remove them when done. Add the scallops to the skillet. Sauté and add white wine. It was my insanity to think I could sear scallops in a skillet to add salt to the wound by splashing white wine. What was I thinking? The whole pan turned into a foamy, soggy mess. So my perfect poor man's surf and turf dinner ended up as a colossal failure. The only consolation was the scallops. Tasted fine. Time to serve. The turf was placed on a platter with a lightly blanched broccolini. The ugly and disappointing scallops became a stepchild, staying behind the scene. The kitchen humbles me. It did this time big time. Even when I had the right plan, the right prep, the right playlist, the scallops just, nope, and that's okay. Thanks for joining me, scallops or not. I'll see you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders, and sometimes the surf gets cut for creative reasons. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.